down on the boat, searching for gold, looking at my past in the waters below. Stars on the ocean, shining at night, trying to find a way through the tide. I'm drifting away with the waves in my mind, leaving all the memories buried behind. Blue sky above me, water below, still trying to find where I'm supposed to go. Down on the boat, down on the sea, lost in the water, trying to be free. The ocean is calling, pulling me slow. Down on the boat, nowhere to go. Down on the boat, riding the flow, carrying the weight that nobody knows. Down on the boat, under the sky, watching the sun while the days pass by. Deep in the water, deep in my thoughts, thinking about battles that I've already fought. The waves keep moving, the wind keeps blowing, still don't know where this journey is going. The sun keeps rising, the sun keeps falling. I hear the ocean and I hear it calling. Motor running low, drifting around, searching for peace that I haven't found. Low, 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 the current keeps taking me where I don't know. Down, 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 the ocean is quiet, there isn't a sound.